Hey guys, welcome to Super Wow Style. This is Prachi and today I'll be doing ombre nails. This is absolutely trending this season and so many girls seem to be loving this trend. So I'll show you how to create this look. As always, first prep up your nails and apply your base coat. And once the base coat dries, just apply a little bit of glue around your nails. Now this is an optional step, but as you will see, this really helps in cleaning up later, so I highly recommend that you do this. While the glue dries, you can apply your nail polish. I suggest you use the color white because it makes every other color pop on the nails and it just makes nail designing so many times easier. Now take a makeup sponge or any heavy thick sponge and cut it up and apply some nail polish on it. Now here's a quick tip, do not worry if the nail polishes just merge into each other or overlap. That's totally fine because we are doing ombre nails and we need the colors to merge into each other anyways. Now very carefully apply this on your nails. If you want, you can be a little bit haphazard. Like I said, the mess and the merging does not matter. If at all, it will only help in creating the ombre effect, so just go ahead and do your thing without worrying about the mess. Now take a little bit of glitter powder on your finger. If you want, you can also use a nail polish which has glitter on it. I just prefer using the powder because it's so many more times sparkly. And once you're done applying your glitter, just press it down and obviously seal the entire design with the top coat so that the design can get its final finished look. Also, a good idea is to apply some extra polish on the tip so that the nail polish can last longer. And obviously now you can peel off your glue. As you'll see, this glue helps in removing all the extra mess around the nails very easily. However, if you want and if required, you can also use a Q-tip dipped in nail polish remover to clean up further. And well, that's all. This design is so easy to create and so much fun as well. Don't forget to show it off to your friends and let them know that you learned this from Super Wow Style. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.